Hi there everybody, Emily Pepper with Century 21 North Homes Realty. I'm here to show you this beautiful manufactured home up in the Eagle Valley neighborhood. It's located about 5 minutes north of Sedro Woolley on Highway 9. The address is 5116 Aerie Lane, and this 3-bed 2-bath home sits on about half an acre, almost 1,200 square feet. Let's go take a look. So right off the bat, I want to show you how much parking this place has. It's got a 2-car garage plus driveways on either side, both graveled. Great for storing your RV, motorhome, or toys. Eagle Valley neighborhood does have public access riding trails, so if you want to take the quads out or go for a bike ride, you can do that as well. So, all right, going inside. This home was built in 1995. Again, it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Walking in, we've got the kitchen, living room, and master bedroom over there. I love it when the master bedroom and the kids' rooms are split apart. Adds a little extra privacy. Oh, hello. Gotta love making videos with mirrors. Nice size walk-in closet. And the ensuite, vanity, shower, and all-important toilet. It's a very generous size room. You've got a queen-size bed in here. But as you can see, there's lots of space even for a king. Okay, going back into the living room. I love the natural light in this house. It's really great. Got an entryway closet. And we're off to the kids' rooms. They're both almost exactly the same size. But a cool feature is that both of these bedrooms have double closets, shelves built in. We've got another linen closet here. And this homeowner has actually put a loft bunk bed in this room to make even more space for the kiddos to play. It's the second bathroom. And now let's go check out the kitchen. So unfortunately, the appliances in these pictures will not stay with the home, but the seller will be replacing them. Got a nice large double pantry there. Tile backsplash. Beautiful double basin sink. You can make this area a little coffee bar. It does have an eat-in dining space with a really cool farmhouse light fixture that stays with the listing. And just through here, got our utility room, laundry, mudroom space, and more storage. This house is definitely not lacking in storage. The washer and dryer do not convey. And we're gonna go out in the backyard in just a few minutes. Isn't that gorgeous though? A little sneak peek. And now I'm walking through into the garage. I'm not going to show you the garage yet. You got to come out and take a look to see it for yourself. But this space out here is actually almost 350 square feet of livable square footage. It's not included in the home square footage because it was an addition. But it's got a huge walk-in closet over there. Windows out to the backyard. And if you didn't need this as livable square footage, you could turn it into an oversized garden shed. You've got a door there for access to the backyard. Tons of possibilities in here. All right, let's go see my favorite part, the backyard. So living in Washington, a covered porch is a must. And might I say, this is a very large patio to enjoy those rainy days in Washington. But we got party lights. And like I said, half an acre of flat, usable property. There's that back door I was telling you about in the bonus room. Even comes with the doggy door for your pets. We've got a bubbling pond here. Just uses rainwater and trickles down. This leads to 2 more sitting areas, including a fire pit. This home has various fruit trees, including yummy, delicious cherries that are ready to go. But isn't this peaceful? I love it back here. I feel like I'm in a little wonderland. We've got apple tree here. Those will be ready soon. Nice fire pit sitting area. But take a look at all this usable yard. Dogs, kids, backyard barbecues. Can you see it now? The property directly behind the fence will never be built on. It is common space for this neighborhood. And you do have a couple neighbors, but as you can see, they're spaced out. You're not right on top of each other. There's the back side of the home. And check out those views. Again, we're about 5 minutes north of Sedro Woolley, just off of Highway 9. Make a right on Feather Lane, a left on Aerie, and you're here. So now I'm going to take you alongside. There's a very large storage shed in addition to the 2-car garage and 350 square foot bonus room. Perfect for storing yard tools, little hobby shop, who knows. That's another thing I really like about this property is there's so many possibilities here and different things you can do. And there's the storage shed. I'm gonna walk around front, give you a better view. This home is being sold owner occupied, so I'm not going to show you the inside of the shed. Just like the garage, if you like it, you got to come take a look for yourself. And now we're back at the front of the house. You can't really tell, but that is a double gate wide enough to pull an RV, boat, trailers, you name it, back through to that shed. We've got additional gravel parking here. Little landscaping. Nice, quiet, peaceful neighborhood. So, if you like what you see in this video, it is being listed for $310,000. It's going on the market first thing this weekend. My name is Emily Pepper with Century 21 North Homes. Give me a call, give me a text, 360-420-7228. I'd love to help make this home yours.